Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you silk saree running blouse design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, we all are know that silk sarees are timeless, classic and have been a part of our culture. They are elegant and versatile and can be wear on any occasion like engagement, wedding, birthday, festival event and family gathering. Friends, the right blouse can make or break the look of the pattu saree. Nowadays, plain without artwork running blouse designed for pattu saree have gained immense popularity due to their simplicity and elegance. Plain without artwork silk blouse design have been trending in 2025. They add a touch of sophistication to the pattu saree and are perfect for those who prefer simplicity. Friends, the silk fabric is comfortable and can be worn for long hours without any discomfort. The simplicity of the design can be accurate by adding a statement neckpiece or a pair of heavy earring. Friends, saree attached running blouse design are another popular choice for women. They are comfortable and lightweight, making them perfect for summer wedding or festival. The silk fabric drop well and enhance the overall look of the pattu sarees. These kind of blouse can be paired with contrasting or matching silk sarees, and the blouse design can be customized to suit individual preference. Friends, silk blouse design for plain silk saree with border can be sticky as the blouse need to be complement the saree border. However, the right combination can make the pattu saree stand out. One popular design is to have a plain blouse with a contrasting border on the sleeve or the neckline. This kind of blouse add a touch of uniqueness to the outfit without overpowering the saree beauty. Friends, simple without aari work silk blouse backneck design have also been demanded in 2025. These designs are simple yet elegant and can be customized to suit individual taste. Some popular backneck designs include deep V-neck, U-neck or he-hole back design. These kind of blouse design can be paired with traditional pattu sarees. Silk blouse design for silk saree with border can be customized to suit individual preference. Some popular design include pot neck, round neck or heavy neck with a back keyhole design. These kind of design add a touch of elegance to the pattu saree and can be paired with traditional or modern sarees. This kind of blouse design for pattu saree are perfect for those who prefer simplicity and elegance. This kind of designed blouse can be customized to suit individual preference and can be paired with variety of different type of silk sarees. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you love this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.